Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to the Garden World channel, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Today, we're tackling a common problem faced by many plant parents: how to revive a dying pothos. Don't worry if your pothos is looking a little sad right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring it back to its lush green glory. So let's dive in. First things first, before we start any rescue mission, we need to diagnose the problem. Pothos plants are usually pretty tough, but they can show signs of stress if something's not quite right. Common signs and causes of pothos problems include yellowing leaves, which are often a sign of overwatering, root rot, or nutrient deficiencies. Wilting or drooping leaves, which could be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to extreme temperatures. Brown or crispy edges, usually due to low humidity, underwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Black or mushy stems, a clear indication of root rot, and pale, faded leaves, which could mean your plant isn't getting enough light or nutrients. Take a good look at your pothos. Which of these signs are you seeing? This will help us figure out the next steps to revive your plant. Watering issues are the most common cause of problems with pothos plants. Too much or too little water can really stress them out. Let's talk about how to get your watering routine just right. If your pothos has yellowing leaves or feels a bit mushy, you might be overwatering. Here's what you need to do. Check the soil moisture by inserting your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few more days. When watering, always water thoroughly, letting the water run through the drainage holes. Never let your pothos sit in water. This helps prevent root rot. On the flip side, if the leaves are wilting and the soil is bone dry, your pothos is probably thirsty. Give it a good drink and make sure the water reaches the roots. If your pothos is still struggling after adjusting your watering, we might need to take a closer look at the roots. Sometimes, poor drainage or root rot is the real culprit. Carefully take your plant out of the pot and check the roots. Healthy roots should be white and firm. If you see any brown or black mushy roots, it's time to take action. Trim away any rotted roots with clean, sterilized scissors. Don't worry, your plant will thank you for this little haircut. After trimming, repot your pothos in fresh, well-draining soil. A mix of regular potting soil with some added perlite or orchid bark for better aeration works great. Pothos love bright, indirect light, but they can tolerate low light as well. If your plant's leaves are pale or fading, it might need more light. Try moving it closer to a window, or consider using a grow light. Also, keep in mind that pothos thrive in higher humidity. If you live in a dry area or have indoor heating, consider using a humidifier or misting your plant regularly. Once you've adjusted watering, repotted, and optimized light and humidity, it's all about regular care and monitoring. Check your pothos weekly to ensure it's thriving. Look for new growth as a good sign that your plant is on the mend. And there you have it. With these steps, your pothos should be on its way to a full recovery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Garden World for more plant care tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, comment below if you have any plant rescue stories. We'd love to hear from you.